In today's video, let's talk about how to activate Marketplace on Facebook. If you don't see the Marketplace option on the top navigation bar in general on your Facebook, let me show you a couple of ways that you can activate it and a couple of reasons that you're not having that option of Marketplace. Now, first of all, if you're not seeing this Marketplace option on the top, you can just tap on the menu on the top right, and under all shortcuts you should have an option of Marketplace right here. Mine is right here, but yours should be also somewhere here. You can also tap on see more and your Marketplace option should be showing up. Even in the all shortcuts, it's not showing up for you. That means that Marketplace is not available on your Facebook account. Now let me tell you a couple of reasons why that may happen. The first thing is you've entered an age on Facebook which is less than 18. So Facebook does not allow people less than 18 to use Marketplace in general. So if that is also the case for you, you can always change your age on Facebook through the settings. Now the second reason may be that Marketplace is not supported in your country. Marketplace is supported for more than 50 countries, but however, if your country does not support the Marketplace option, no one in your country would be able to use the Marketplace option. So that's the second reason. The third reason could be that your device is outdated. So if you have an older mobile device or even a lower version of iPhone, such like iPhone 4, the Marketplace option would not show up on your device. So that's the third reason. And the last reason is that you violated the policies and standards of Facebook in Marketplace. So if you have done anything against the policies of Facebook in Marketplace, your Marketplace option would be removed completely. So if previously your Marketplace option was showing and suddenly it's not showing, that means you must have violated the policies of Facebook. So that's how you can activate Marketplace on Facebook and some of the reasons why your Marketplace is not showing up on your Facebook account. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos similar to this, make sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified for more interesting videos. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.